Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable structured data for Shopify FAQs and reviews step by step clearly. To enable structured data for Shopify FAQs and reviews, start by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the online store section from the left sidebar. Click on Themes to view your current theme. Find the theme you are using and click on Actions. Select Edit Code from the drop-down menu. In the code editor, locate the Sections folder on the left. Look for a file named producttemplate.liquid or similar. Click on this file to open it in the editor. Scroll down to find the section where product reviews are displayed. This is typically within a div or section with classes related to product reviews. Add the structured data markup for reviews just above the review section. Use JSON LD format to create your structured data. Include properties such as review rating, rating value, and author. Make sure each property is. Next, look to implement structured data for FAQs. In the same code file, locate or create the FAQ section. Again, use JSON LD format for this markup. Include properties such as name, accept answer, and text. Ensure that each question and answer pair is properly formatted within the structure. After finishing your markup, click Save in the top right corner of the code editor. To test your structured data, go to Google's Structured Data Testing tool. Enter the URL of the page you modified and click Run Test. Check for any errors or warnings and adjust your code as necessary. Finally, publish any changes and monitor your page performance. Proper structured data can enhance visibility in search results. Make sure to revisit your structured data periodically as content changes. Following these steps will help you successfully enable structured data for Shopify FAQs and reviews. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.